You've got to connect with that social worker because they're going to be there not only for you during the process, but afterwards. And I think the actual process itself, we were a little bit, well, like a lot of people, apprehensive before. And you hear a lot of rumours, don't you, about what are you going to get asked? And, are you going to ask this and ask that? And yes, it can be intrusive. You know, we did have to show bank statements and one thing to make sure that we're not in debt and that we haven't got criminal records or, you know, anything that would interfere with a child. But actually, we don't come from perfect backgrounds. So, and CCS were very sensitive about that and very good about that.
Yeah.
And actually saw that as an asset, you know, and what we could bring to a different child. So we instantly felt that we didn't have to be perfect.
You don't have to be perfect.
You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be of a certain age. You don't have to be rich or own your own house. You don't. There's a lot of myths in adoption, which I think we fell kind of trapped into, didn't we?
Unless you actually experience it, you don't know.
Yeah, and I think, you know, and everybody sort of talks about, what do they talk about? You know, are you going to get asked about your sex life? And things like that. And yes, there was an element of that, but it's around being open with your children. It's not a deliberate intrusiveness. It's not a deliberate, tell us about your sex life. It's about, can you talk about these issues? Because your children may want to talk about those issues. Are you going to be open to talking about it? And now we've adopted, you can see the relevance of those questions. But maybe at the time we thought,
that's a bit odd.
Yeah. But actually it was all handled very sensitively and we got on really well with our social workers. Yeah.